What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am gonna take you to cook with me. Well, I'm not taking you anywhere, but you're gonna be watching me cook. Sit back, relax, and watch me do my thing. Yannick!
What? I need a fork.
They watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. But when I walk with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, I'm baby, don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming on your measurements. That's right. We out here dripping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping finesse. You know it, you know it. Out here dripping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping finesse. You know it, you know it. Now slow it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind. Yeah. Our connection's so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. We're now walking with you. I watch the whole world change. Baby, that's what you do. No, I'm baby, don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming on your measurements. That's right. We out here dripping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping finesse. You know it. I do what they say I can. Call me Cardi, baby. Out here dripping finesse. You know it, you know it. Out here dripping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping. Grab your ladies if your lady fine. Tell her she the one for life. Ladies, grab your fellas, and let's do this right. If you want one like me and mine. Yeah, we got it going on, Don't it feel so good to be us? Hey, yeah, we got it going on, Girl, we got it going on. Yeah, we got it going on, Don't it feel so good to be us? Hey, yeah, we got it going on,
Thank you guys so much for watching. It has been a pleasure. I hope that you enjoyed this little cooking video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. And if you want to see more videos like this, also let me know too. But in the meantime, I will see you again in another random video and we shall see what it is. And it takes me like 30 minutes to make, so 30-minute meals with Rachel Ray. If you want to see more. Cooking makes me so hungry now. Where's my tea? Okay, I'm just really hungry now. Crap! I'm not supposed to eat it. I'm supposed to take a picture of it before I eat it.